everyone, my name is Johanna. I am the program manager of the Rockstart AgriFood program. I am currently located in Belgium. We're all adhering to the COVID-19 regulations these days, so we're pretty spread out, but we did want to give you a little bit of an update from our side. So Denisa, I'll let you take it away.
Oh, well, you've already introduced me. Yes, hi guys. My name is Denisa and I'm her colleague actually. I'm a program intern and I'm based in Copenhagen.
Hi guys, my name is Mark. I'm the managing partner at Rockstart AgriFood and I'm currently sitting in The Hague in the Netherlands.
That leaves me. I'm Mathias. I'm a senior associate in Rockstart AgriFood and I'm currently based in Copenhagen, Denmark.
Well, thanks for joining from all different parts of the world. This is supposed to be a very short video for you guys regarding the most frequently asked questions we receive from you, and we've received a lot of them. And I would like to start with the first one and very important one, and that is what makes Rockstart AgriFood different from other accelerators?
Rockstart AgriFood is a domain-focused accelerator and fund. So we are investing in agri-tech and food tech startups, and our network of mentors, investors, and market partners reflects that. So it's really focused on the industry. The second thing is around the accelerator program itself. This is a 6-month program and it's customized. It's not a standardized format. So we actually customize the content based on what the portfolio company's needs are that are going through the program itself. And it's semi-remote. So that means that even outside of coronavirus restriction times, we would still be expecting the startups to be doing 75% of the program remotely so that they can keep their businesses going. And the last one, and probably the most important one in terms of differentiation here, is that there's a fund attached to the accelerator program itself. We have over 18 million euros under management, and we continue to co-invest in our accelerator startups up to Series B. So it gives a very long-term perspective on our support.
Next question would be, what kind of support can startups expect after the program?
Apart from sort of the ongoing investments, as Mark alluded to, we also aim to be sort of a really strong sparring partner for you guys. So we want to help you with everything that's related to your finances or your strategy execution. And if we don't sort of have the insider knowledge ourselves, we'll reach out to our very broad network of mentors and ecosystem partners, as Mark also mentioned earlier.
What if I'm by myself or I only have an idea? Is it a too early stage to apply? That's another frequently asked question we receive.
The short answer to that is yes, it's a little bit too early to apply. Ultimately, we're looking for teams who have been working together with a minimum viable product and a little bit of commercial traction. That means that you've sold this product to somebody other than your mum. And the reason for that is because during the accelerator, we're looking to help scale your business, not show you how to start a business. So generally speaking, we look for those teams that have got a going concern already. In exceptional circumstances where there's some deep technology, IP, or academic traction behind the idea, we may consider it.
As you might already know, we as a Rockstart AgriFood, we are based in Copenhagen, and we receive a lot of questions regarding if a startup has to relocate to the city throughout the duration of the program.
Yeah, Rockstart AgriFood is located in Copenhagen, but you do not need to relocate for the program. So as Mark mentioned, especially now in these COVID-19 times, while designing the program already, we had designed it so that startups wouldn't need to necessarily leave their home base to participate in the program. So that means that we require you to be on site in either Copenhagen or Amsterdam for approximately 5 days per month to participate in the deep dive weeks. As well as to ensure that you get somewhat of a soft landing into that market and get introduced to the mentors and investors and other experts that we have in our network, but you do not need to relocate.
You mentioned mentors, Johanna. Could you maybe elaborate a bit more on how mentorship works?
Yeah, so mentorship is one of the most crucial aspects of our program. It's also something that startups very much seek out and need in such an early stage in their business. So we facilitate that the startups in our program can get introduced to our network of mentors by going through a matching process. So they will have up to 2 core mentors for their startup, which are then acting as somewhat of an advisory board to their startup. In addition to that, they can then seek out support from expert mentors as well as network mentors on an ad hoc basis. in addition to the support that they get from Mark and Mathias and the program team throughout the entire program.
Okay. And guys, very often we speak about our network. Who is our network? Is it mostly Danish or?
Well, I can answer that one. I mean, the fund is located in Denmark, and we have offices in Rockstart, both in the Netherlands and Colombia. The fund's investor base are actually comprised of investors from 7 different European countries, and our current portfolio is also global. It ranges from countries such as India all the way to Chile. So we have a very broad and extensive network throughout.
And last but not least, Mark, could you tell us what's Rockstart's offer in terms of investment and equity stake?
Yes, happily. So we start every relationship with the startups with an initial investment of €100,000 under a bridge to investment agreement. The €100,000 is made up of €35,000 in cash, and €65,000 is the cost of the accelerator program, which lasts for 6 months. And the bridge to investment agreement works kind of like exactly like a convertible loan agreement. So our ambition is to convert that investment to equity at the earliest possible chance, and hopefully with us as a co-investor. So the actual terms for conversion happen at the first equity round once you're into the program.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you also, Mathias and Johanna. And for you guys out there, don't forget the applications are still open until the end of April. And if you have more questions, just reach out to us at agrifood@rockstart.com. Thank you.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Bye-bye.
Bye.